Hey there, entrepreneurs and innovators. Welcome back to our AI News channel, your source for the latest developments in the realm of artificial intelligence. Today, we're thrilled to bring you some exciting news from the world of e-commerce. Shopify has just unleashed its latest innovation, Shopify Magic. This service offers businesses a remarkable suite of AI-powered tools, and the best part? It's completely free. Let's dive into the details and discover how this revolutionary toolkit can transform the way you do business. During the recent Summer 23 edition event, Shopify unveiled its newest offering, Shopify Magic. This service is set to empower businesses with a range of potent artificial intelligence tools, aiming to enhance their operations and boost efficiency. While the development of this toolkit is an ongoing process, the star of the show is undoubtedly the AI-powered assistant known as Sidekick. Sidekick, the AI-powered assistant within the Shopify Magic Suite, functions much like the widely known ChatGPT. It's a versatile tool that can interpret writing prompts and respond accordingly. Businesses can harness Sidekick's capabilities to automatically generate responses for website users, compose compelling product descriptions, and even craft engaging blog posts. While Sidekick is currently available for early access, Shopify plans to fully launch this powerful tool in the upcoming months. Shopify Magic represents one of the latest entrants in the realm of AI services tailored for small businesses. For many entrepreneurs, time and manpower are precious commodities. Toolkits like Shopify Magic have the potential to alleviate workloads and streamline tasks, giving managers and employees more bandwidth to focus on strategic growth. Among the array of features Sidekick offers, AI-generated product descriptions are expected to become an invaluable asset for businesses. In an insightful blog post from April, Shopify highlighted an industry challenge: millions of items sold on its platform lack detailed descriptions. This void can negatively impact customer impressions and online visibility. By delegating such a task to an AI program like Sidekick, brands can not only enhance their customer outreach but also expand their audience reach. While the arrival of Shopify Magic is indeed a game-changer for platform users, a multitude of other AI software options are available to optimize workflows. While not all offer the convenience of a free service, they do present valuable solutions. The surge in demand for AI has spurred countless companies and startups to create products catering to entrepreneurs and small business teams. However, as businesses adopt these new toolkits, it's crucial to integrate them thoughtfully. While AI introduces remarkable advantages, business owners must strike a balance. It's essential to discern which aspects of your operations can be augmented by AI and which require human attention. Remember, technology is a tool, not a crutch. Selecting the right tools to enhance efficiency will only yield fruitful results when complemented with effective time management. And there you have it, the exciting emergence of Shopify Magic and the potential it holds for transforming small business operations. If you're as intrigued as we are by the possibilities, be sure to hit that like button to show your enthusiasm. For more updates on AI innovations and their impact on various industries, subscribe to our AI News channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Until next time, keep embracing technology as a partner in your journey towards success.